117th briefing. Good afternoon and welcome all. Fellow Kenyans, the coronavirus disease is now firmly domiciled in our communities as evidenced by the surging numbers which we have been reporting to you in the past few days. Like we told you yesterday, these figures will keep rising, something that should worry each and every one of us. And of particular concern is the rising numbers in Nairobi County. The capital city continues to lead with the number of infections, and as of yesterday, Nairobi had 5,705 cases, followed by Mombasa with 1,739, Busia coming in third with 550 cases, and Kiambu fourth with 520 cases. And in the last 3 days alone, Nairobi has registered 518 cases, and this indeed is a worrying trend, and something must be done. It is important that the residents of Nairobi are alert and are able to act very quickly in terms of adhering to the containment measures. It has also come to our attention that some Kenyans have resorted to stigmatizing those suspected, even those who have contracted COVID-19. And really today the aim of our press briefing is to highlight and to have a discussion on stigmatization when it comes to COVID-19. The behavior by some of our people in different ways, exemplified in different ways. We've seen people taking pictures, recording videos of ambulances and vehicles ferrying patients. We've received several social media forwards of people, depicting COVID-19 as a cause of different events in the community. And worse still, we've seen people even sharing pictures and videos of COVID-19 patients. And this has ended up leading to profiling of the infected people. And it's important that we note that this is highly unacceptable. We need to remember that coronavirus is a disease, and getting this disease is not a crime. And those who are infected with this disease are not criminals. And therefore, it is important we note that this virus can indeed be contracted by anyone. The high and mighty in society and everyone else in society, we've repeated over and over again, anyone can get this disease. And so it's important that we take care of each other and we avoid stigmatizing those who have the disease or those who may be affected by the disease. We'd also like to make a passionate appeal when it comes to the profiling of COVID-19 patients. We've seen different people discussing, symptoms of COVID-19 patients, areas in where they might have contracted, profiling them and elevating, stigma in the society. Again, this is something that does not add value to this fight of COVID-19 and ends up stigmatizing the situation and making it even harder for us to be able to maintain our containment measures, for us to be able to work together, adopting a whole of society approach in dealing with this disease. It's important to note, COVID-19 is a disease like any other. It's a disease like any other, and we really need to emphasize this. And it is important to note that stigma really will not go a long way in terms of combating this disease. It's important we continue to remember to maintain the containment measures, washing our hands with soap and water, maintaining physical distance, wearing a mask at all times in public spaces, and avoiding all forms of gathering. These indeed are the only weapons that we have against the disease at the moment, and once we follow them, we shall be able to remain safe and to be able to reduce transmission of this disease.